Greetings, my lovelies. Thanks for joining me for today's featured room tour of our room at the Coombe Abbey Hotel. As we went into the room, I love the dark green, and you've got a coat hook just there. The detail, it's velvet, medieval style wallpaper. Well, it's more tapestry. It's not, it's like velvet tapestry, and you've got beautiful art throughout. Again, I've only just arrived, but you have this wooden feature to put some of your items on, and you've got this cupboard looking. Look at the chandeliers, the wall chandeliers. So guys, yes, it's a featured room, and the ambiance, it's amazing. Look at that antique up there. I forgot which brand does that. It's very popular. And the wardrobe feature with the curtains, the drapes, and it's got writing on the drapes, again tapestry form, and it's like that throughout. That is the theme, taking you back to the Elizabethan era. I like these type of hangers as well as the wooden ones. You've got more shelving at the top, and it goes right back. Got the hairdryer there, of course, and you've got a fan, which is very convenient. So guys, let's work our way through the room, shall we? Better. Okay, so we come through, and there's another picture there of the Earl of Morton. So it's James, Earl of Morton, and that's 1581. Okay, ta-da! Just beside the bed you have the phone to all areas of the abbey, reception, the restaurant. You've got the notepad, signature notepad, and you've got deep shelves down here. There's plenty of sockets throughout. Let me see, what is this? Okay, yeah, that also operates the light. And the bed, fit for a queen and a king. Just look at the wooden feature, 4-poster. Look at the original mahogany wood. I wonder if it's yeah, if it's oak. No, it's definitely mahogany. Again, the writing on the tapestry. So this is like the golden green room. You know, I'm always giving these feature rooms a theme when I come across them. So we've done the red room, we've done the blue and yellow room, and now we have the green room. Plenty of pillows, plenty of cushions. Look at the detail. I hope the GoPro is doing it some justice, otherwise I'll have to redo using the Android S23. Is it S23? I think so. And look at the detail on the armchair, and the cute bow on the cushion. Everything is themed the same pattern of the tapestry. Look at the carvings inside the wood, and again there's more paintings. Okay, this is John Esquire. Oliver Cromwell. General Drayton. Yes, we've got a picture of General Drayton over at Lumley. So guys, we're at Coombe Abbey. Again, Oliver Cromwell. There's shelving on the side there for you to place your knickknacks. And I love these rope, his and hers. You turn off one side, the other side there as well. Look at the detail here. I'm liking the crystals, the chandelier. Again, the desk workspace. I love the 1920s featured lights with the quirks, and this is definitely one of those olden days letter desk. All the different compartments. You've got drawers here, another one on this side. Again, look at the detail of the chair. The shape is unique, different, and you've got 1, 2, 3. This one's a big one. It's got wedding brochure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers at the bottom, 2 on the top, and all of these extra compartments. You've got the room service menu there, quite a lot to choose from. You can get light plates, small plates, large plates, comes in handy. The room service is absolutely fabulous. I've also treated myself to some jewellery from trulyjewellery.co.uk. That's www.trulyjewellery.co.uk. And possibly later on, at some point, I shall take you to reception and we might be able to see some of the beautiful pieces that's on offer. If you see anything that you like, feel free to call through and reserve. And yeah, come and pick it up. We'll have them post it out to you. Abbot Archbishop of Canterbury. Yeah, I'm sure he was around to do with the whole Cromwell, Henry VIII and Anne Boleyn, Catherine of, and all of that. Yeah, and the history of how we became the Church of England. Oh wow, even the tablecloth. Oh yeah, already good to go. And please call 3044 should you request fresh milk to your room. Wow, oh wow, look at the treats, guys. Just look at the treats. Shortbread rings, golden oat crumble. Ooh, oh yeah, luxury hot chocolate. Cafe du Monde. Okay, and that goes in there and you make your coffee and all of that. Look at the kettle, it's just so cute and so shiny. Oh yes, guys, go back and watch the room tour that I've done on my previous stay and you will agree you are short for choice. If you book a featured room, they do not disappoint. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers down there and the telly is a good size. So the view from outside the window, yeah, I could see a bit of the moat and it's like looking onto your own private garden. Let me see. Yeah, lovely. And today the weather is fantastic. Spring is officially on the horizon and we welcome it. So guys, yes, I'm going to now take you through to the bathroom, but this is how it's looking from the window angle. Okay, let me take you through to the bathroom. So when we turn on the lights, voila, and it's got this rope feature just like the one by the bed for turning on the lights. And look at the tiles, faultless bath, exceptionally large, so well kept, well maintained. The products, yeah, Gilchrist and Somes. Okay, English Spa Mineral Bath, Gel Bane Mineral. Okay, and you've got the shampoo. Excellent. I really do like this shelving. The lights are shaped like seashell. Yeah, it's like a seashell. There's a poem up there, I shall read that later. And yeah, you've got your Gilchrist and Somes, established London, England. You've got 2 cups, his and hers. Very large sink. And yes, the Iron Lady that holds the towel. Let's see how she's looking today. Yeah. We've got more pictures, more art. These are cherubims. Okay, and yeah, we've got the olden days handle. Love it, it reminds me of primary school. And you've also got the vanity table. You can put knickknacks in there as well. You've got the non-slip mat, and you've got a full size mirror, and of course you've got the extra loo roll in the luxury loo hole holder. Very nicely designed, very well put together indeed. Yeah, so that's the bathroom, and I'm going to enjoy freshening up after an exciting afternoon. And yeah, I have a dinner reservation for 8. I've missed the medieval banquet this evening, and the murder mystery dinner for tomorrow has been postponed. So I'm going to be having evening meals with the restaurant at the Abbey. I'm looking forward. So guys, yeah, this concludes our room tour. I'm gonna unpack and relax and get ready for this evening's dinner. Okay guys, so thank you for coming back to watch my videos, and I shall see you on the next episode. I think we're going to call this Princess Diaries, because from here forth we're going to be having the Abbey lifestyle. Bye for now.